motion is probably better for the confidence level too. I should have known about the race. I might have shuffled stuff around.
Oh, she did fine.
All right, let's see him go. So you're gonna keep the whip at his butt, right? Look, he's like, yeah. Whatever.
It's Taylor. I don't have to.
Let's see how fast you can get him to go. Keep working. You can run at his butt, I bet he'll go. Yep, swing that whip at his butt. There you go.
Wow,
Oh, he's moving now.
she even cracked
go
it.
faster. Let's see if you can get him to run around. Let's see.
Wow, very good.
All right, look at that. Go faster, faster. Let's see how fast you can get him to go. Faster, faster. There you go. All right, look at him go. Watch out for the poop. There you go. Flip that whip. You got it. Flip the whip some more.